arrested.
And a Katati man was arrested for allegedly selling fentanyl, meth, and cocaine.
Coming up in sports, hello Klay Thompson. Splash Brothers splashing as the Warriors put it on the Lakers to even up the series.
It is 8:34 at KSRO, and with an update on your commute, here's Paul Maxwell.
Thanks, Michelle. Looks like they're making some good progress on this accident in Napa. Northbound 29 after 221 involves a 2-ton pickup truck that may be still blocking the right lane. Traffic backed up just about to Jameson Canyon. North 101 Santa Rosa, slow from Highway 12 to College Avenue. Also heavy on both directions of Highway.
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
12 between Farmers Lane and Mission, and starting to see a bit of a backup in Sebastopol for both Highway 12 and the Gravenstein Highway. South 101 in Marin, not too bad. Stretches of heavy beginning just before Lucas Valley down to just past Lincoln. Your next update at 8:45. Now with Sonoma County's most accurate, most dependable forecast, here's Daniel Trucios.
Thank you, Paul. We do have a high of 61 today, 54 along the coast. You'll have overcast conditions as well as a chance of rain this afternoon. Big cloudy tonight, maybe some rain as well. Low 48 degrees. Wind speed's not really an issue. Big cloudy then for tomorrow. Another day of maybe rain, maybe not. Temps in the low 60s. Sunday will be mostly sunny, but temperatures staying in the 60s.
I love it, Daniel. Maybe not, so you're right either way. 53 in Petaluma, 55 in Roder Park, 54 in Windsor, and 52 in Santa Rosa. Traffic on the 5s, weather 6 times an hour. Mornings on KSRO, where the news time is 8:36. Sonoma County's independent civilian-led law enforcement watchdog agency believes a deputy should have been fired for an incident that happened on Halloween in 2020. Body camera footage shows the Sonoma County Sheriff's deputy press his gun into the back of a man's head while responding to a report of a fight and a stabbing in Boys Hot Springs. The deputy then told the man to shut up and threatened to shoot him. Meanwhile, in broken English, the man tried to explain that he was actually the person who called 911. Sheriff Eddie Ingram posted a brief video on Facebook regarding the incident.
The Deputy Jose Vega, was disciplined, provided training, and monitored. There have been no other concerning use of force incidents involving Deputy Vega since this incident.
The deputy received a suspension and a pay cut. Sonoma County's Independent Office of Law Enforcement Review and Outreach says firing the deputy would have been the appropriate response.
Suspect accused of stabbing and killing 2 people and injuring a woman is a former UC Davis student. The university says in a statement, 21-year-old Carlos Dominguez is a third-year student. He was separated from the university last Tuesday for academic reasons. Davis Enterprise reports he majored in biological sciences and wanted to become a doctor. Dominguez was arrested Wednesday for 2 counts of homicide and attempted homicide.
A Katati man has been arrested after being found with a large amount of fentanyl. Last month, Santa Rosa police began to investigate 29-year-old Roy Altamirano Arenas as a possible drug dealer. On Wednesday morning, police executed a search warrant, and on his person and in his car, they found 800 pills believed to be fentanyl, 2 .38 caliber handguns, 3 ounces of suspected meth, an ounce of suspected cocaine, digital scales, and hundreds of plastic baggies. Nothing of note was found in his home or storage container. Altamirano Arenas was charged with 6 crimes related to drugs and firearms.
Since I first read the story this morning, Michelle, I'm currently scrolling for flowers. Need flowers for Mother's Day? Yes, I do. Santa Rosa's got you covered. Flowers, according to Lawn Love. San Francisco was the only California city to rank higher than Santa Rosa, 5th overall. Specifically, Santa Rosa is #1 in vendor quality and claims the most members of the Association of Specialty Cut Flower Growers. That's the ASCFG. California produces 76% of the flowers grown and sold in the U.S.
And absolutely love the local, I believe they're called Pure Santa. It's a really great boutique florist, and they're so much fun. That's where my hubby goes when he gives me flowers. Very, very nice. The Cinco de Mayo celebration comes back to Roseland today after 4 years of absence due to the pandemic. City officials are bringing it back today. It will be on Sebastopol Road between West and Avalon Avenues near the Mitote Food Park from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m.
There'll be some live music and DJ performing on stage. And we also got the Roseland Charles group that we conducting a small parade on horseback. The person will come down Sebastopol Road, comes back, accompanied by the city's super cool and always popular American. Okay.
Santa Rosa's Director of Communications, Lon Peterson, says there will be over 20 booths and vendors, food and family fun, including games for kids, and a fire truck that they can see up close. More info can be found at srcity.org/Cinco de Mayo.
Keep an eye on the mail for free money. California's Attorney General says more than 400,000 people tricked by TurboTax's owner into it will receive about $30. Calls it rightful restitution. It's part of a nationwide settlement over ads that promised free service but ended up charging. This affects anyone who paid to file their federal returns from 2016 to 2018, even though they qualified for the IRS free file program.
This is day 2 of a teacher strike in Oakland. Thousands hit the picket line yesterday to demand better pay and improved conditions in the classroom. The district is offering a minimum 13% raise and $5,000 bonus, claiming it doesn't have enough money to address every concern. Teachers say that's not enough and accuse the district of bargaining in bad faith. The state superintendent is now offering to step in and help both sides come to an agreement. Schools remain open on a modified schedule. It is 8:40 now at KSRO.
It's prime whale watching season on the Sonoma coast. Reserve a room at the Inn at the Tides, then set out for Bodega Head. Through May, you can spot Pacific gray whales as they migrate north to Alaska.
Every room has a view of the bay. The Tides Wharf restaurant is open daily from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Your stay includes a complimentary bottle of wine in your room, heated indoor-outdoor pool, and complimentary breakfast on the waterfront.
Tell your smartphone to call the Inn at the Tides in Bodega Bay. The Inn at the Tides, your beacon to Bodega Bay.
I love my job because I love the people I work with. Hi, this is Michael O'Shea, president of Amatura Sonoma Media. It is my pleasure and privilege to announce the inaugural ASMG Employees of the Quarter. KZST sales manager, Robin Sheldrake, and program director, morning host of The River, Danny Wright. Robin and Danny moved studios, adjusted schedules, calmed staffers, and led the team in a way that influenced and inspired. Danny and Robin, your recognition is well deserved. Thanks for all you do.
Play ball! It's baseball season. Mountain Mike's loves baseball. You can watch your favorite teams play while enjoying Mountain Mike's legendary crispy curly pepperoni or any of their fresh from the oven pizzas.
Rather take home so you can watch your teams with your trusty remote in hand? No problem. Order delivery or to go.
And you little leaguers deserve yummy pizza too. Take Mountain Mike's to the ballpark or bring the team in after a game for a pizza party.
Pizza the way it ought to be.
MountainMikes.com.
The internet can be an all-you-can-eat buffet for identity thieves.
So full.
Too many maiden names.
And social security numbers.
Where'd you find those?
By the password bar. Can't miss them.
LifeLock alerts you to identity threats you could miss by monitoring your credit and bank statements. If your identity is stolen, a dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year with promo code NEWS. Go to LifeLock.com.
It is 8:42 at KSRO. Time for a look at financial news with Steve Reuter at Merrill Lynch. And Steve, can you give us a recap of the day?
Sure. Relatively busy day news-wise. We started with Apple's earnings after the close yesterday. They were better than expected as they sold more iPhones than anticipated. The unemployment report was strong with 253,000 jobs created, well above estimates. And with that, the market has traded higher from the outset. We're up 387 points on the Dow at 33,514. NASDAQ up 209 points at 12,175. 10-year note losing ground for a change, down more than a full point. The yield now back to 3.46%. Gold lower by $36 at $2,019. I'm Steve Reuter at Merrill Lynch for KSRO.
Financial news at 12 and 42, mornings on KSRO. Now with a KSRO sports update, here's Larry Olson.
Warriors-Lakers Game 2 of the Western Conference semifinal series. Hello, Klay Thompson.
Klay Thompson feeling it a bit right now. Knocks down another three. Thompson is open. Fires up a three. Got it. Thompson fakes, fires, puts it in.
30 points on 8 three-pointers. Dubs put it on the Lakers, 127-100. Even up the series in a game apiece. Steph adding 20 and 12. Dubs made 21 three-pointers for the second straight game. Steph
have a bounce back game like we had tonight and to win as decisively as we did, knowing that it's going to be a whole lot tougher, game 3 in LA, like it's a big morale boost.
Michael Green, 15, getting the start for a sick Kevon Looney. Game 3 tomorrow night on KSRO. A's lose 5-3 to the Mariners, swept out over the 3-game set by Seattle. Green and Gold have dropped 8 of 9. They're in Kansas City this afternoon. Giants host the Brewers tonight. Big game for all the marbles in high school baseball. Windsor against Cardinal Newman. Cards win it. They take the NBL Oak Division outright. Jaguars win. They share the title for the second time in 2 years. Forte, your morning line favorite for tomorrow's 149th running of the Kentucky Derby. Personally, I'm going with Cyclone Mischief. Right now, during Staples Free Tech Take-Back, rewards members get $10 back at Staples Rewards when they recycle their tech. Ends June 3rd. Limit 1 reward per month. Exclusion supply. Visit staples.com/recycling for details. Cut the cord on your old tech and recycle it at Staples. Larry Olson, Sports 13 at 43 past the hour. Mornings on KSRO.
It is 8:45 at KSRO, and here with the latest on your commute is Paul Maxwell.
Thanks, Michelle. Looks like CHP in the final clearing stage of an earlier accident in Napa, northbound 29 after 221. Traffic is backed up in stretches just beyond American Canyon Road. Highway 12 still some heaviness both directions between Boys Hot Springs and south of Sonoma Plaza. Also have heaviness on Highway 12 in Santa Rosa between Farmers Lane and Mission, and westbound 12 lots of brake lights from Fulton continuing to the Gravenstein Highway in Sebastopol. North 101 Santa Rosa just slow. Highway 12 to the downtown exit. South 101 Marin heavy from Lucas Valley to North San Pedro. Your next update, 8:55. Now with Sonoma County's most accurate, most dependable forecast, here's Daniel Trucios.
Thank you, Paul. We do have an overcast for today. Maybe some rain this afternoon, a high of 61. Maybe it's turning on my word of the day. 54 along the coast. Wind speeds will be light. Could see some light rain for tonight as well, low 48. Possible rain then for tomorrow. Temps will be in the low 60s, otherwise a bit cloudy. Clears up a little bit for Sunday. Temps still in the 60s. Monday and Tuesday, partly cloudy, but no rain.
56 in Roeder Park, 52 in Kenwood, and 54 in Santa Rosa. KSRO news time is 8:46.
Well, here in Northern California, rain is a big deal, and we sure have had a lot of it lately. KSRO listeners know how to stay informed and connected under all conditions. Traffic and weather updates, breaking news, and vital information when you need it most.
Sonoma County's FM News Talk, KSRO.
Are you the parent of a 2 to 7-year-old? Listen closely for an exciting free radio offer. By now, you've probably heard of ABC Mouse, the Parents' Choice Award-winning online learning program that's actually changing the lives of early learners everywhere.
You know it's ABC Mouse is like a little one-on-one teacher. It has helped her so much.
Right now, we're offering a special radio promo to try it free for a month. But you have to go to abcmouse.com/radio to claim your free month. That's abcmouse.com/radio.
Sponsored by Age of Learning.
Hey, Sonoma County, have fad diets failed you? Are you still struggling with chronic obesity? Then minimally invasive weight loss surgery might be for you. Attend one of Sutter Santa Rosa's free weight loss seminars from the comfort of your home. Learn about robotic surgery and the tools needed for sustained weight loss. Get your questions answered live and begin your path to a healthier life. Register to attend at ksro.com. Just click on the Sutter banner. That's ksro.com and click on the Sutter banner.
Listen Saturday mornings 9 to noon for Garden Talk and the Good Food Hour, brought to you on KSRO by the Santa Rosa Original Certified Farmers Market. Garden Talk is hosted by Steve Garner and Gwen Kilcher. Welcome your gardening questions from 9 to 11. The Good Food Hour from 11 to noon is hosted by Chef John Ash and Steve Garner with delicious insights into cooking, eating, and enjoying good food. Garden Talk and the Good Food Hour, live and local, Saturdays 9 to noon on Sonoma County's News Talk, KSRO.
Covering Sonoma County on 103.5 in Santa Rosa, 96.9 in Petaluma. Online all the time. Sonoma County's FM News Talk, KSRO.
It is 8:48 now at KSRO. Good morning, I'm Michelle Marquis. Well, as James Gunn moves on to head up DC, his final movie in the Guardians of the Galaxy series hits theaters this weekend. Joining us on the KSRO Live Line to talk about Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, we have our Blue Jean film critic.
That guy drives very reckless and he doesn't even fucking stop.